Hi guys, welcome to Maria Cooks with Love. Today I am super happy and excited to show you a new recipe for hot sauce. So today we're gonna make a red sauce with chile morita chili pepper. So my sauce, I finished my sauce, so I like to make one day a week. I make a lot for the whole week. I like to put my sauce in everything. Tacos, rice, everything, guys. Burritos, quesadillas, with everything. Empanadas, crunchy tacos, with everything, guys. So I got ready my ingredients. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy, and let's do it. I got here 2 pints of these grape tomatoes. So I'm gonna use 2. You can choose your favorite grape tomatoes. I have a medium onion, 1 medium garlic, a punch of cilantro. Maybe I got here 2 cups. If you don't like too much cilantro, you can add less. This chiles morita I buy at Walmart, but you can find also I see at Food Lion or Latino stores. I don't know, in Amazon, but you can search if you want to take a screenshot. So I'm gonna use 5 because I like spicy. So if you like less spicy, you can add just 2 or 3. It depends how you like it. Water and salt. First step, guys, I'm going to wash and rinse my tomatoes really good. I got ready my tomatoes. Now I'm going to add water. The water needs to cover like everything. You need to float a little bit. So now I'm going to put the more than medium heat to boil. When the tomatoes start boil, I'm gonna leave boiling for 5 minutes. So now, guys, we need to roast the morita chili peppers morita. So I'm gonna let to roast, and when you start smell the chili, that means it's ready. So I'm gonna mix it and I'm gonna roll it just like this, maybe in each minute. When you start smells the chili, that means it's ready. I'm gonna show you. Look, guys, my chilies are ready. Take me 3 minutes. So if you see has air inside in the chilies, it smells good. So it's time to reserve a little bit, and I'm gonna wait in my tomatoes. When my tomatoes start boil, I'm gonna add those chilies. So guys, my tomatoes start boil. I'm going to add in this point my chilies like this, and I'm gonna mix it really well, and I'm gonna leave to boil for 5 minutes, just for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes passed, guys. It's time to turn off the stove, and I'm gonna remove the chilies and the tomatoes, and I'm gonna leave to cool. So now, guys, I'm gonna chop. I'm waiting for my tomatoes and my chilies. I'm gonna chop the cilantro and the onions, but I'm gonna remove these parts. So these parts, you see, are a little bit black, so I like to remove this part just like this, and I'm gonna chop it really good. Look, guys, I finished. How beautiful looks. I'm gonna reserve it. I put my garlic here, so I still waiting to my tomatoes, but I forgot to tell you my onion and my cilantro are clean and disinfected. So I'll be back when my tomatoes and my chilies are ready. So guys, my tomatoes are ready. They're still a little bit warm, but it's time to blender the sauce. I'm going to add the piece of garlic, and I'm gonna add the tomatoes and the chilies like this. So I'm I got ready everything here, guys. Now I'm going to blend it just a little bit. I don't add water because the peppers and the tomatoes absorbs a lot of water, so I'm gonna leave just like that, and I'm gonna blend it just a little bit. Let me show you. A little bit more. Guys, this is how looks. Not really blender. If you can see the seeds, the chilies, the everything, guys. So I'm gonna pass in these containers and I'm gonna show you the texture. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try this delicious sauce. So let me take a spoon and let me show you. Oh, look, guys. So now I'm gonna add the onions and the cilantro here. So I got here the cilantro and the onions. I'm gonna add the cilantro, the onions, and I'm gonna mix it really well. And that's it, guys. You have a delicious sauce. If you like more liquid, you can add more water, the same water when I boil the tomatoes, but this is how I like it. Look, guys. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try with y'all, guys. And this point also, you can check for salty. If you like more salty, you can add more salt, but for me it's perfect like that. Oh my goodness. Let me tell you something. If you don't like to put onions like that or cilantro, just add a little bit of onion when you blender the sauce, and that's it. If you like to like this, just like this, just you can leave like this. I put here a little bit because I gonna leave like that a little bit. So you have two choices. You can leave like that, or you can you can make like that, or you can leave without cilantro. Just blender a little bit of onion when you blender the sauce, and that's it. So guys, I got here some white rice and some boiled eggs. It's something very simple. If you want the recipe of white rice, I got the video that is with vegetables, so I made today with no vegetables. So guys, I'm going to put in the top this delicious sauce with my eggs, and the top on my eggs, boiled eggs. Oh, like this. Oh my goodness, look, guys. They are delicious. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt for my eggs. Just like this, and that's it. Look, guys, you can fridge this sauce for the whole week. You can save it in your fridge. This is the final result for the sauce. Looks delicious. I say again, you can use for everything. So today I use for my boiled eggs and for my rice. I'm gonna try for y'all, guys, but thank you so much for watching this delicious recipe. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video. So I'm gonna take the half of egg with the rice. So let me try it just like that. Delicious, guys. It's not really spicy. It's spicy, but it's not a lot spicy. It's delicious. These combinations are this really good, guys. Thank you so much for your support. God bless you, y'all, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day or night.